Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. In my previous video, we were discussing about arithmetic mean. In arithmetic mean, we spoke about individual series. In today's session, we'll be looking into the discrete series of arithmetic mean. Now, in individual series, we saw something like this. So, first of all, before going into the discrete series, I'll make you understand how you find the discrete series when an individual series is given. Now, I hope you all are familiar with this kind of numbering system. This is what is known as individual series, where numbers are given with commas. Now, look at this. You are given x as 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 10, 6, 10. Okay, now what you're going to do is, you're trying to find out how many times these numbers are repeated. How many times these numbers are repeated? Most of you might have studied this in your plus twos as how you sort these given data. Now, I'm just trying to sort this. Now, given 1, how many times 1 is repeated? 1 is repeated 2 times. So, frequency is 2. Frequency is number of occurrences. So, number of occurrences of 1 is 2. Then, which is the next number that is given? 3. So, 3. How many times 3 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is repeated 4 times. What is the number that coming next? Next number that comes is 5. Next number is 5. How many times 5 is repeated? 5 is repeated 1, 2. 5 is repeated 2 times. And the next number is 6. How many times 6 is repeated? Only once. And the last number that is given is 10. And how many times 10 is repeated? It is repeated 2 times. So 10 is repeated 2 times. Now this is how you make a discrete series. From the given individual series, you make a discrete series. Alright. So sometimes a problem will be directly given to you. This will be given to you. Just like in my next example, you will be given a problem like this. But now I just made you understand how individual series can be converted to discrete series. Now my next endeavor is, or what we are going to do next is, how will you find the mean of this particular series when it is given in discrete series? When it is given x and the frequency, how will you find the mean? Formula is very simple. How will you find this? You will use this particular formula, sigma xf by sigma f. What is sigma xf? So there is something else that is coming here. You are supposed to find xf. What is xf? Multiply them. Just multiply them. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 3s are 12. 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 1 is 6. 10 into 2 is 20. So you just multiplied them and then you got xf. So when you add all these numbers together, when you add 2 plus 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 10, 30, 40, 50. So you will get 50. Which means sigma xf is equal to 50. Sigma xf is 50. And sigma f. What is sigma f? When you add these together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You will get 11. Sigma xf is equal to 11. Now just divide them. So x bar is equal to sigma xf by sigma f. What is sigma xf? 50 by 11. What is 50 by 11? 50 by 11 is 4.54. I'll put it here clear. Sigma xf is 4.54. 4.54. X bar is equal to 4.54. That is the answer. So I'll just summarize. What you do is, you will have to find x and f will be given. You have to find xf. Multiply them. When you multiply them, you will get this column. Now add f. You do the summation of this. That is called sigma f. You got it 11. Then you add this. That is called sigma xf. I said whenever you see the symbol sigma, just add whatever is given. So sigma xf is 50. So 50 by 11 is 4.54. I've given the answer here clear. X bar is equal to 4.54. Now we'll see one more problem and find out what is the answer. Find the mean. Find the mean of 2 frequencies 5, 5 frequencies 2, 10 frequencies 2, 20 frequency is 1. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Sigma xf by sigma f. So immediately you write down the given values. We know that the given values are x2, which is repeated 5 times, 5 repeated 2 times, 10 repeated 2 times, 20 repeated once. So what are we supposed to do next? Hope you can pause the video and solve the problem. By the time I'll also solve, and once you get the answer, just cross check with mine. I think that is the best method of doing it. So next is, what are we supposed to do is, we are supposed to find the xf. We are supposed to find xf. Multiply them. xf means multiply them. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 2 is 20. 20 into 1 is 20. So formula is sigma f. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the answer comes to be, I give different colors, 10. Here it is 20 plus 20, 40, 50, 60. 60. So what should be the answer? Sigma xf is 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. So x bar is equal to 6. So just go through this problem once again. You have the series and you have the frequencies. You know the formula, sigma xf by sigma f. So I've just added one more column to it, xf. You summed all the frequencies, 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. And then you did the multiplication, 2 into 5, 5 into 2, 10 into 2, 2 into 1. You get xf, add them, you get 60. Just divide sigma xf 60, sigma f 10, and you get the answer as 6. Now, one more thing to note, in some textbooks, the formula will be slightly changed. They will give the formula like this, sigma xf by, instead of f, they will give capital N. Capital N means, capital N is equal to sigma f. Just keep this in mind. In some text, the formula will be sigma xf by capital N. Capital N means sigma f. I hope this topic is very clear to you. I need you to solve more and more problems. And some problems also make it understand that when the discrete series is given, you can make it into a continuous, discrete, when some individual series is given, you can make it to discrete series and do some problems like that also. You can frame your own problems. So I hope this particular concept is clear to you. In my next video, you'll be watching how to solve a little more difficult one called continuous series. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.